folks, this is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. Hey, I want you to imagine this. Imagine $300 coming into your bank account now. I mean, $300 over and over and over again. Well, guess what? In this video, I'm going to show you a very simple way to make $300 over and over and over again. And guess what? It's going to take less than 5 minutes, I promise. Don't forget to smash the like button, right, for the YouTube algorithm only at the end of the video if I give you massive value, because I want to show you how easy it is. I'm going to do it with you. And if you follow what I do step by step, don't skip, but follow through to the very end, you'll be able to do this as well. Okay, first site what you need to go to is redbubble.com. Okay, redbubble.com. As a matter of fact, comment below and tell me where you're calling from. And the great thing about this is worldwide, all over the country. If you're in Africa, you're in Maldives, you're in Bora Bora, you're in the ghetto somewhere in the South like Wesley Virgin. Listen, this works, okay? Redbubble is cool. It's basically a site where you can just design cool things and you can just sell them for a profit, right? It's really cool. And it's free to do. That's the great thing about it, right? You can put like things like masks, mugs, and shirts. And the great thing about it, you don't have to be a programmer. You don't have to have any design experience. What I'm going to show you is what an average 6-year-old can do. And they can do this right now to make money online. So you can tell your job and tell your boss to go to hell and understand that you too can make money online. Okay, so Redbubble is a cool site. It just gives you the opportunity just to sell stuff basically really quickly online here. So what you want to do is click the word sign up here, and you want to click on artist sign up, right? You're going to be an artist, and guess what? You don't need to be a great designer. You don't have to know how to draw. Hell, I don't know how to draw, right? But this is very simple. If you follow and watch to the very end, you will see how you're going to be making more money online right now before this video ends here. So you want to put your email here, your shop name, and your password, okay? All right, you're with me so far, right? So click on sell your art, and then you want to log in. I'm going to log into my account because I already have one, right? Why? Because I like making money online, okay? Log in. Are you with me? If you're doing this with me, comment below. I'm with you, Wes, okay? Just don't listen to me. Just follow what I'm doing here. It's hundreds of thousands of ways to make money online, and the quickest way to create wealth, right? This is not going to make you rich, but to create wealth, you want to have different passive streams of income online. This is what I do, and I'm sharing it with you for free because I love your big head. Let's go. Listen. All right, so this is what you want to do here. Basically, Redbubble allows you to upload or create art on the website to basically sell stuff. That's it, right? So simple. And listen, it's going to be very simple. If you keep watching, I'm going to show you an automatic way that it's going to blow your mind once you see it, to really start making some of this money here, okay? Sell your art. That's what you got to do. So you go here, okay? You with me? Click on add your design, okay? And you're either going to upload new work or you're going to copy existing work. So obviously we're going to upload new work, but your question may be this: Wesley, where's the new work? I don't have any work, right? Listen, and guess what? You don't have to design anything. I'm going to show you where you need to go right now. Step 2, go to this website, right? freedesignsresources.net. Okay, this is to make money online fast. Listen, freedesignsresources.net. I know a lot of you are getting excited right now because guess what? This site here is free. All these designs are super free. And I'm about to give you the design that you can use right now today, right, on the website that I know will bring in sales every single day. Remember, we're talking about $300 over and over again if you do this right, okay? So look, freedesignsresources.net. It's just freebies. It's all free designs. I don't have to create a design. I don't have time to use Photoshop, and I don't have time to go to school to learn how to be an artist. I'm gonna go here for free and basically download. So what you want to do is click on graphics here, follow me, and what you can do is you can design whatever type of shirt that you want. Okay, does that make sense? You can use icons here. You can use watercolor icons here, right? You can put high resolution palette gradients as well. Whatever you want to pull in the shirt, it's up to you, okay? And listen, I'm going to show you how to get a ton of sales or a ton of people to your store on Redbubble. That's going to blow your mind, so just keep watching to the very end. You can't miss one step here. Say, so what I like to do, and you should do this as well, Valentine's Day, right? How many of you ever been in love, right? How many of you been in love? Hey, I've been in love one time in my life, and I decided that I'm not gonna be a player no more. I'm not a player, I just crush a lot. And listen, listen, this is what I want you to do, because people like love, and people like, you know, these type of shirts with love on them as well. So you go here and you can choose whatever design you want. It's up to you, right? You can have a picture of people holding hands, maybe a flower to your girl, or maybe a hug, or maybe a teddy bear, right? It's up to you. So you click on this button that says download now. See? That's it. You download here, give it a second. It's going to download to your laptop or your computer, right? Then you go back to Redbubble. You click on upload new work. How many of you are getting this? Hit the like button if you're getting this right now, okay? And you can choose whatever image that you want. Does that make sense? This is what I downloaded here. I didn't create these designs, but the site freedesignresources.net allows me to do it for free, because I don't want to put in a lot of work, right? So I'm going to click one design here. See that? It's going to upload. It's there. And then I'm going to put some cool title here, okay? I can put, I love you, baby, right? How many of you love me? How many of you love me? Just comment below, say, Wes, I love you so much, right? Then here on the tags, you want people to find your shirt, because I'm going to show you a few ways to drive traffic to it, but I'm going to show you how to utilize the Redbubble algorithm, right? You do this. You put lovers in the tags, okay? You can put sex in the tag as well. You can put I love you. You can put Valentine's Day here, okay? And all you need to do is just copy what I'm doing here, by the way. Just copy this, right? And then here, you want to write something that's going to be very persuasive. So use your creativity, right? What do you think when people go to this website, what are they going to look at so they will open up your cool designs? And look at here. See, within seconds, you have t-shirts here. Look at that. T-shirts, mugs, pens, right? That's crazy, right? And let me ask you a question. How much work do we do? Almost none. It took me about 5 minutes to do that, right? Then you can put, I love you, baby, now. Or get this now. The thing is, you want to be very creative here, okay? And just have fun with these words here to get people to click on your images and buy the shirts. This is cute. And like I said, you can create many more. Then you scroll to the bottom here. Save work, okay? No, this is not any type of mature content. No sex stuff. No. That's a no, right? All right. Boom, boom, boom. 98%. And guess what? We're done. If you look below here, watch this. Bada boom, bada bam. I love you, baby. Right? Lover, sex, I love you, Valentine's Day. I've already created the Redbubble store. I even have a face mask for that freaking coronavirus. But yes, right? Look at this. All these things have been created. That means if people click on this and they buy, you make a commission. You just split a Redbubble. Listen, you don't have to do the packing. You don't have to do the shipping. You do nothing. All you need to do right now is drive traffic. I'm going to show you a cool way. It's a site that I've never shared with people, but I'm going to share with you right now. Listen, if I deserve a like, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, baby. Let's get it. All right, look. Now, this is the site that you want to go to. Go here. Boom. You want to go to shotcart.com. Shotcart.com. This is how we're going to get millions of people, or thousands, to purchase this money so we can get that $300 over and over and over again. Listen, you don't have to pack. You don't have to ship. You do nothing. You just drive people here. They click, they buy, you make money. Does that make sense? Comment below if that makes perfect sense now. Okay? So Shotcart is cool. I use this for a lot of stuff. Like whenever I promote or create a new product, whether it's physical or digital, I go here and get a shout out. And guess what? Look, for $15 here, 50,000 followers, right? On this guy's account, you pay him 15 bucks, he will basically put your Redbubble store on his story and on his page. Listen, if you got 10 sales, that's the average of at least $100+, right? Am I making sense? Now, what I'm going to do is at the very end here, I'm going to show you something really cool, because you might say, Wesley, I don't have 15 bucks. Hell, I don't even have $5. Watch to the very end. I'm going to give you a cool way two cool ways to get free money so you can use to invest on this site so you can start making sales on Redbubble, right? But the great thing about it, listen, 12 bucks, that's 245,000 people that's going to see your Redbubble store. So I want you to picture this. Picture 245,000 people right now liking this, right? And going to your Redbubble store and getting this cute little shirt that you just created, that you downloaded from another website that was free to use, right? And say if they want to get a face mask, say if they want to get an iPad cover, whatever. And basically you're making money over it over again. That's 245,000 people. Just say if 1,000 people buy. Hello? That's almost like $10,000 if it's $10 a pop. Listen, this is very powerful. And listen, what do you do with the money? If you're smart, you reinvest it again, and you keep doing this over and over again. You take the profits and you tell your boss to go to hell, right? I mean, if you're young, you'll never have a job in your life. If you're in your 30s and 40s, it's time for you to leave your job because the job sucks. And that's really it, folks, okay? And listen, it's easy to get a ShotCard account like I promised here. I promise to like this now. Listen, register for free. Look, you can say I'm a brand or I'm an influencer. You can say I'm a brand, right? Boom. Create your account. Fill out this information. It's free to do. And you're done. Go to ShotCard to start driving the traffic. Now, listen, as promised, I want to do two things. One, this is not going to make you super, super rich, okay? I help a couple of people per month to earn $10,000 a month. In the link below, this is the number one fastest way under this video here. Number one fastest way to make money online. I'm going to show you step by step how to create your first digital product, not physical, very fast, so you can start traveling the world and do some of the things that you want. I will leave that link below. But as promised, let me show you two videos that you see right now on the screen. These two videos will give you free money that you can invest in ShotCard. Why? So you can get the ShotCard out to Redbubble right now, right, to start making money. And it's easy. It is free money. Click on one of the videos. Much love. I love you so much. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let go.